Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack newsletter account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one Substack subscriber into your Substack account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a subscriber or a contact into your Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically in the real world, and maybe you want to add them into your Substack newsletter. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack publisher account, and this is the dashboard. Now here on the dashboard, in order to manually add one contact or one subscriber, here on the top, you're going to click on subscribers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your statistics on your newsletter. And in order to manually add one subscriber, scroll to the bottom until you see all of your subscribers here. And you're going to click here on add subscribers. It has a plus icon next to it. Okay, guys, so here is where you can manually add one subscriber one by one right here on this line. Now this down here, this is if you're going to upload an email list. So like a spreadsheet of multiple contacts. But today we're talking about manually adding one. All you're going to do is just click right here in this box, and you're going to go ahead and type in their email address. Okay, once you've typed in the subscriber's email address, you're going to click on this orange add button. Before you do that though, you can choose to check this right here, send a welcome email. That's going to be up to you. If it's a brand new subscriber or somebody brand new that you just met, you might want to go ahead and do that. If it's somebody you've been working with previously, then maybe you don't want to send them a welcome email. For me, I'm not going to send it, so I'm going to click here on add. Okay, and you can see right down here, success. That email will be added as a free subscriber. Now, if we go back here by clicking on this button, okay, once you click on back, you're going to see your subscriber number has changed by one. You can see I used to have one subscriber, and now I have the second subscriber that we just added manually. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add a contact or a subscriber into your Substack, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.